Hi everybody and a warm welcome to MomDas Live Fanpage. Today's video is a decor video and I'm going to create a kitchen vignette. This video is part of a challenge being hosted by Denise Jordan from This and That with Denise Jordan. Denise hosted this seasonal challenge which she calls Kitchen Vignette every season, and this time for Christmas she has challenged us to create a decor piece for our kitchen which has a Christmas flavor using a Christmas decor item, a signer, a plaque and a tray. I have also participated in her fall kitchen vignette and I'll show you a glimpse of my fall decor in my kitchen corner, and I'm going to create a decor for this corner itself and this one in Christmas flavor, in winter flavors. Do check the channel of Denise Jordan and the playlist created by her for more inspirations. I'll put the links in the description box given below. And I love to do lots of DIY, decor, sew, recipe, home videos, travels, all in a budget. So do subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you're notified each time I post a video. So let's get started. Hello and welcome again, and before I take you to the kitchen, let me share with you some of the items that I'm going to use in my vignette. The first item is this. This is actually a toy. This is a chakla and this is a balloon. This is made out of wood. This is as old as me because this used to be part of my toy kitchen set when I was small. And it wasn't like this. It was plain raw wood. Some years back, quite some years back, I painted them into this cheerful color and I really like it. And when Denise announced this challenge, I just dug into my daughter's toy collection and took them out. Don't worry, she's not going to miss them, because she already has got 2 extra sets and she's not that very girly who plays a lot with the kitchen set. She's not going to miss them. She has 2 more. So I'm going to use this as my decor piece because this has the perfect colors for Christmas. So this is basically a rolling pin and it's used to bake flatbreads, and all houses in our country where flatbreads or rotis are eaten in the household, they all have these at home. You know, the real ones, not the toy ones. Then I love this birdie jar that I've got. What do you see? Yeah, I think this gives you a contrast, my birdie jar with a white lid. Then mason jar. Why am I showing you a mason jar? Because I like to repurpose my mason jars. I love them. They are clear glass, they can be cleaned, sanitized very well. I'm going to use them like this, or what I do is I paint my jars maybe white and add a lovely ribbon around the bed. You will see that. Then another thing I wanted to share is this. This is a khurja pottery, or a special type of clay pottery. This is this has come from Rajasthan. And I picked this plate. There is a pair of this plate and a little sauce or a dip bowl with it in the same design. And I picked them a couple of years back, and I think they have the perfect colors for Christmas and winters. And I think I need to keep this set out handy so that I can serve snacks in this to all my guest friends who come around. So let's go to the kitchen and start decorating. My Christmas kitchen vignette this year. Here is the Merry Christmas on the notepad, attached to the clipboard with a pen holding stand, a DIY of mine. Find the card link, and it's also in my DIY and decor playlist. This is the toy rolling pin my colorful plate, my birdie jar with cookies in, another mason jar with some live greens, another mason jar upcycle, and 2 little trees. And I think this is a cute Christmas kitchen vignette. I hope you like this. Please put down your comments and come back for more videos. See you soon.